Today we invite you to join us on a Shimla cooking culinary tour with a local family. Come and enjoy this dining experience in Shimla, which is one of the among most top activities and things to do in Shimla.
Be welcomed in the home of a local Indian family, which itself is a unique travel experience while you are on your holidays in India. On arriving, our guests were given a traditional welcome by the family of our host with tilak, Himachali caps and flowers.
Very nice, very nice.
שירותים, יש פה שני חדרי שירותים.
Dining experience with the local family provides you the experience of local culture, food, and a close insight to the day-to-day activities of the Indians. And on other hand, it directly benefits the locals.
ההרגשה ששמעתי עכשיו, סנובים, בהתקווה, במאה שערים כבר הייתם, מה אתם הולכים לראות? תצטרפו.
After some time, the guests were served a variety of tea and snacks.
Thank you.
Siddu, the traditional dish of Himachal, can either be consumed with purified butter or chutney. Indulge in artistic culture of rangoli making, henna designing and photography in local attire during your Shimla culinary cooking and food tour.
Of the three girls, Indian girls, okay? Well, the music. 1, 2, 3.
Clap, everybody clap. चलो जी. उधर को निकलो.
Your wife drink, your wife is dusty, very כל הכבוד לכם, מקסימות אתם, כל הכבוד.
Beautiful ladies.
Thank you.
We skip the celebrity chef and head straight to a local home where our friendly host helps you in learning, preparing, tasting and enjoying the famous Indian authentic recipes. including the street food cooked in a hygienic, safe, and homely environment.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Like this? Yeah, like this. Very good. Thank you.
The Shimla Culinary Cooking and Food Tour with a local family is about the authentic Indian food, traditional spices, cooking techniques, and the interesting, joyful stories of the culture. You can take it as a private, personalized tour or take it as a join in basis where other independent travelers join you. As each trip is created uniquely for you around your interest and requirements, Summit Safari India will make your tour a memorable and extraordinary one.